everybody, Celeste here at the Mission Bend branch. Today we're going to be doing an Earth Day program where we decorate our pots and do some seed planting. So these are the materials you're going to need. You're going to need a potting mix, some paints, some brushes, and then you're going to need something to paint on, and your seeds. In this case we're going to be doing cosmos seeds, and then your planter that you're going to paint. So let's go over to Natasha, who's going to show you the how-to.
Thanks, Celeste. Okay, everybody, we have all the materials that she told us about, and I went ahead and decorated our pot with some, Animal Crossing characters, our favorites. And then we also, since it's going to go outside, I put some sealant on it and let it dry to make sure our beautiful paintings aren't ruined. So now we're going to go ahead and fill our pot. I'm going to fill it, as you can see, this little thing right here, this line. I'm going to fill it about to there, and then I'm going to put the seeds in. So here we go. Let's move this out of the way. Just about any soil should be fine. Miracle Grows. That's what my mom got me to help us out. And there we go. Let's fill it up. Some nice damp soil right there. There we go. Earth Day is always a great time to start planting stuff. Put in a new tree from a seedling. Put some new flowers out in the garden beds to get ready for spring. Plant some new fruit trees. I have a fruit tree at home. It's actually a peach tree that we get a good abundance of peaches from every single year. We make tasty things out of them, like cobbler or pie. So we're excited about this year's bounty. Okay, so I've got it almost to the line. I left a little bit, if you saw right there. And now I'm gonna just poke a few holes into the dirt, and then I'm gonna put some of the seeds in there, and then we're gonna cover it up some more. So let's, like so, just about 5 holes. And then here are our seeds, our cosmos seeds that we showed you earlier. Sprinkle a few out. Scatter them into the holes that we poked here, like so. Let's put a few more in that. I don't think I got enough. And the last bit, I'll just put these like so. I left my cup in here. Oop. And sprinkle about a good 1/4 inch of dirt over it. You don't want the dirt to blow away when it's outside, and then your seeds don't get covered. There we go. And then we pack it down, make it nice and firm like so. Then we're going to put it on our saucer, and we're going to go ahead and give it its first water. There we go. Hopefully that wasn't too much. It's always my problem. Overwater plants all the time. My mom's the green thumb in the family. And that should be good. Nice and watered, and according to our, you don't have to use the same seeds as me, depending on the seeds you choose. It'll tell you how long it takes to germinate, when to plant them, when to bring them in from the freezes. Now, according to this, it says it'll take 3 to 7 days for our cosmos to germinate. So here's hoping we see some blooms later on.
Hey everybody, thanks for joining us in. We hope you enjoyed this program. Now remember, the best time to plant a tree 30 years ago, the second best time today.
And don't forget to follow our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. If you want a quick shortcut to get to our Facebook page, go ahead and scan this QR code and it'll take you straight to it. Happy planting.
Bye.
Bye.